Racing just is started. We have Silver Glades first to show quickness at a start para sa amin. Then down on the inside is Zana Divine. Let me know comes next. Medals time also rushing about the outside, showing speed is Don Martino. Then comes Rising Star, Slim Princess, Unica Champa, Royal Harris. Then comes Being Square, while Toyoto is the early trailer by about 14 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have para sa amin. Now takes command by a length and a half. And on the outside is Don Martino. Let me know who is racing into Dana Divine. Then comes Royal Harris. Medals time. Rising Star is down on the inside. Silver Glades comes next. Unica Champ moving up, Being Square. Then comes Slim Princess. While Toyoto still racing in 13th. And on the fourth turn, two runners are firing around for the lead. Para sa amin, Don Martino. Now takes command. Don Martino by a length and a half. Para sa amin, Dras back in second. And here comes Unica Champ moving up now on the outside. And they are entering the home stretch. We have Don Martino by about 2 lengths. Unica Champ is on the outside, about to throw the challenge. Last 100 meters, Don Martino. Unica Champ now takes command. And finally the curtain closer, Unica Champ, Don Martino, Rising Star, Slim Princess para sa amin, and Royal Harris for your Super 6.
Pandihado ko to.
Oh,
Slim Princess.
Slim Princess.
Anyway, ito